Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kinong hikai SSA, hende kasngi hakajengalang hadian karali. Giladawa na umentri rangba kajala ukonrat ke sangma, baun slot no ya uba lah kemen remboy, laniweng no nakasuki ba ubat ya ke Education Department. Gila syemru ya karai balada kem Pynurlong, ya kini kimat Jingdawa baro Leit Hapoh ka Taïew. Kata naduk kasngi bakin yo batkin pediang ya kasiti bagi pa. Gaseng kinong hikai kambansi banleti jengkang haka Meghalaya High Court haka bayadai bat kani ka isu.
Dan Bromjoni isa kontrak ke sama lada im slide no ya ka portfolio Education Department na isa lakmen rembui kapanungkong kabaar lada kim Pynurlong yang kini kimat Jingdawa jungi Leit Hapoh Taïew na do kasngi bangin receive dan ikin priang ya kasiti nangi hadin jong kata kapor pia menjonem bangin leit tir jingkang Hapoh Meghalaya High Court hakabay day but ka issue number 1 kata kalong ban penkendria yang i baro ki kaaraja sanspa sa buwaymut kinoy kaya SSA Hapoh State Implementation Society, Hapoh State Education Department on regular basis. Menjoin them. 2 weeks. If the Honorable Chief Minister did not take away the portfolio of Education Department from Sir Lakman Ramboy. Number 2, if the state government did not fulfill all our 3 demands, then by the end, then after 2 weeks we will file a case in the Meghalaya High Court related our demands of point number 1. You mention them? As of now, it's not in position to regularize the SSA teachers as we are totally depending upon the central government to give us fund for payment of salary. Kata kada kabanukong kabana kalian juga keren. Kabaar iang, we are not here to violate anything, but we are here to streamline the Education Department. Kabalai iang, until and unless the government of India releases the fund, we cannot do anything, but we just have to wait. Kabasa Wiyong, I wish the government of India will sanction maximum fund so that we can clear not only 1 or 2 months but 4-5 months salary at one go. Kabasa Wiyong, SSA teachers can blame anybody despite knowing the facts. Kumangaman ni Pia menjual ne magiwan menta hakani kamadan na kadaw ba kalong ba ngipin iya kadap bangi persya ya kan ka statement kajong Education Minister pia hamne namyo suyo pia hamne mentangan pensyai ya kan ka statement kepada kalian jong Education Minister ila keren hakabay day bat kamat kabanungkong iyong ba. The government of Meghalaya is not in a position to regularize SSA teachers as we are totally depending upon the central government to give us fund for payment of salary of teachers. I want to ask the Education Minister why he as a minister is not aware of the RTA, why he is not aware of the SSA or the RT norms. Do we have to make him aware or to bring to his notice what is written in the RTA or what is written in the SSA manual or SSA framework? And also a statement which don't have any pity to the SSA teachers. Point number 2. The Honorable Minister said we are not here to violate anything, but we are here to streamline the education department. Here I want to mention what provision, what section that the state government has violated. Number one, regarding the recruitment of teachers. As per the SSA manual and also as per the RT Act, SSA teachers should appoint as a regular teachers on the education department. But here in our state of Meghalaya, all the 12,541 SSA teachers are appointed by the school managing committee on contractual basis under the state implementation society, which is the first violation of the SSA norms and the RTE Act. Of Meghalaya will know what is the fact. In his statement, he is talking about the facts. So this is the facts. We have all the facts and figure with us. So why he's trying to mislead the teachers, in particular and in general, why he's trying to mislead the citizens of Meghalaya. Today I think you agree with me. Honorable Education Minister Lakman Rambui is not fit to hold the portfolio of Education Department. He is not fit to hold the portfolio of the Education Department. If you are agree with me, we will take the first resolution today from the student field that within 2 weeks we will demand from the Honorable Chief Minister to take away the portfolio of education from Education Minister. Are you agree on that? Yes. Are you agree on that? Yes. Okay, because he cannot do anything. Also he added, what we can do is we just have to wait. What kind of education minister is? We just have to wait. We have suffered for 162 days till today. I remember when we organized a 2 days mass casual leave, that is on 11 and 12 of October 2021. The government sent us a letter that the state government did not grant us a permission to move ahead with this 2 days mass casual leave because it violates the RTE norms related to the right of the children. We teachers, we are suffering without pay. We are working without pay for 162 days till today. Why we don't have any right?